Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Slack app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile picture on the Slack app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Slack app. Next, on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then next to where it says your name and your profile picture, click on that. So you're going to see here that you can now go ahead and edit your photo. So click on edit photo and then you can either take a photo or view a photo from your library. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile picture on the Slack app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.